Hi, let me introduce PolkaRental, a trustless room rental platform built for Malaysian students running on Polkadot Testnet EVM. So the problem we are solving is real, where the students in Malaysia lost deposits to the scam landlords every day with no protections. So PolkaRental fixed this with three things. First is the escrow, lock deposits on chain, so no landlord can run away with your money. Stablecoin rent payment, so no ringgit volatility, and AI risk score that flags suspicious listing before you even talk to the landlords. So everything you see here are every listing, every payment, and every dispute is on chain, so it's transparent and permanent. So let's start with the connect with my wallets. So here I will so I will connect wallet first. Yeah, so this is the first account, this account one, so which is our tenant today. So here currently we don't have any stablecoin yet, so if the user doesn't have any pass, then he can just go to the pass file set testnet and just copy and paste the wallet here directly. So because of I already have the pass, so I can just mine the USDC here, mine tokens. So just confirm, and yeah, so right now it was mining the mUSDC, and as you can see the amount of the stablecoin already here. So why stablecoin? So think about this scenario when an international student from other country wants to book a room in Malaysia. So before they even land in Malaysia today, they can just pay and they can just deposit and lock in scroll on chain for the rooms they want to rent, so without landing in Malaysia. So now let's browse the available listing here. So the mUSDC is clearly will be back with USD instead of Malaysian ringgit. So yeah, so click on one of these, and yeah, so here you can see the price, location, the deposit amount, and this is an important thing, which is the AI scam risk right here. So the score will analyze the listing data, the price relative to the market rate, deposit size, landlord wallet history, listing description, and flags anything which suspicious with explainable reason. So as you can see here, the listings scores a low risk with 8 out of 100. So the price is reasonable. So yeah, so this the account one, and if so right now I will disconnect the wallet and I will go to account 2. Okay, I will demo for account 2, and for this account 2 it will act as a landlord in this demo. So first of all, it have to list a room, so for example master room in KL, so KL, Malaysia, and the rental fee, for example 450, deposit 100 ringgit, and here you can choose the durations. So now I will post the listing on chain, confirm. So it is processing. Yeah, so right now so right now the landlord can see the new room already listed inside the rentals. So now I will connect back with the tenant account. Okay, so this the connect account. Okay, so this the tenant account. So this his previous renters. So there's the dispute here. So maybe he want to rent another room. So maybe this one from account 2 from the landlord. So right now this the deposit details. So it will log in the smart contract in 6 months and you will receive 100 USDC back. So the duration is clearly 6 months, the deposit and the rental. So right now it can deposit and lock the room first. Okay, just wait a while. It was processing the transaction and confirm again the transaction request. Yeah, cool. So now the renter already appears at the my renter list. And so what the tenant can do is that the tenant can view the details. So for example, you can view the contract on the Blockscout. So it's clearly stated that this contract and the transactions that have been done in the contracts has been recorded in the Polkadot Testnet. So here the contract and this is the transactions previously. Okay, here's the details. So right now what the tenants can do is the tenant can also pay the rent. For example, you can choose 2 months first, 2 months, 1 month, or 3 months pay. So if let's say the tenant didn't pay for the room, so it will be auto deduct using the smart contracts to the landlord. So these the features where the tenant can pay earlier for his tenants, for the renter. So here it states that already pay for two months and remaining for 4 months. So if let's say we view again at the Blockscout, so that's the transactions. Yeah, so that's the transactions for the okay, so there's the transactions for the payment, and the tenancy can also raise a dispute. For example, if the water heater is not fixed by landlord from March 1st. Okay, so the tenant can also submit the dispute and the dispute will also recorded inside the blockchain. Confirm. So it was processing. Yeah, so there's the dispute here. So if let's say right now I change to another account, disconnect the wallet first and connect back. Yeah, so the landlord can also see the dispute from the tenants and what the landlord can do. So this is a description from the tenants, and the landlord can give the response, describe the response, and what he can do is to submit the response, resolve and release the deposit. So for example, will be fixed tomorrow. Okay, so you can submit the response. Yeah. Okay, so another thing is that the user can also redeem the mUSDC, the stable coin. So for example, the bank, and this the bank account. Okay, confirm withdraw, confirm 500 mUSDC, and this was processing. So yeah, So as you can see, the stablecoin already deducted. So yeah, so that's all from these the apps. So what's next for the PolkaRental is first a real AI risk model. Right now, actually, we already um, link the AI risk scam uh, with the AI LLM, and so the second one is we will have a DAO arbitration where the dispute shouldn't just rely on a single arbitrator. So the third one is a real USDC integration via Polkadot's cross-chain bridge. Then the fourth one is we will do a mobile first instead of currently it's the websites only. Yeah, so that's all from this demo.